Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and today we're going to be making the most delicious Biscoff mug cake. That's right, you heard it right. Go get your mug, go get a couple of ingredients. There's only 5 in total. That's it. It's going to be absolutely delicious, and if you love Biscoff, this recipe is perfect for you. So let's get to it. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. If you're new here, I share lots of delicious home style recipes, and I am also a twin mum and share all of my twin mum life adventures. For this Biscoff mug cake, we're going to be using the classic Lotus Biscoff biscuits, bit of a tongue twister. So they are absolutely delicious. If you haven't tried them before, they're nice and crisp, crunchy. They're really buttery, got a bit of a caramel and cinnamon flavor to it. So delicious. Now, we're also going to be using the Lotus Biscoff spread, and there's only a couple more ingredients. Let me show you now what you are going to need. I have some all-purpose or plain flour here, the delicious Biscoff spread. I have some baking powder, and here is some full cream milk. That's all that you need for the mug cake, and then we're going to top it with some more of this delicious Biscoff spread, and we're going to have a Biscoff biscuit as a little dipper. As always, I will leave all of the ingredients in the description box for you, and for the full recipe to download and prep for free, head to labombaker.com. Now this recipe is perfect if you just want to make one for yourself, or you're just having a night in and want something a little bit tasty, but it's also perfect if you're like entertaining and gonna have like a dinner party and want individual portions, because I mean, this is still something that's really impressive. So I've got a couple here that I'm gonna make up, and I'll start with just the glass one here so you can see what I'm doing. So we're literally going to add in the spread, the milk, so give it a little whisk, and then I'm going to add in the baking powder and the flour. Okay, that's nice and smooth. Now, even just from stirring that spread and the milk together, I can start to smell that Biscoff, and it smells amazing. So let's go ahead and add in the remaining dry ingredients. It's literally just throw it in. And now go ahead and mix this up. Gonna make it a nice smooth consistency until it's just combined. Now at this point, I dare you to resist the urge to start eating this batter, because it is so irresistible and it's just teasing us right now. Seriously, look at that. Now it's time to get this bad boy into the microwave. You want to microwave on high for about 1:20. However, I would be checking mine after a minute. You may need to add it in 10-second increments as you go, depending on your microwave. Actually, before it goes into the microwave, I don't have a minute to spare, because I can hear someone, or maybe 2 people, need my attention. So we're gonna have some visitors in just a second. Oh, look who showed up. Hey, babies. My twins decided to wake up early from their naps, didn't you? Didn't you? It's very cheeky, you two. Yes, very cheeky. So I have Ivy here, and this is my boy Remy, and they will be joining me. Lucky we're doing a short recipe today. Hey, guys. Okay, back to the microwave. Let's get that bad boy into the microwave. Smells so good. All right, so I actually took mine out after a minute. It didn't need any longer. So as I said, start at that point. If it needs longer, add an extra 10 seconds and see how you go. Now, while it's still warm, you want to add on some more of that spread. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh yeah. And come on, let's do generous portions. So you can see it's melting all over it. So just spread it all over. Look at that. How shiny and glossy this is looking. Oh my gosh, it looks so good, but we are not done yet. We are going to add in on the last little bit, which is just going to top it off, and that is the biscuit. Okay, so I've got the Lotus biscuits here. Yum. So I'm gonna crush one on top, and then we're gonna use the other as a dipper. So literally just crumble it. They crumble so easy. And last but not least, our dipper. So put that in. Oh, are you okay? Let's try this before things get a little crazy around here. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, This is the good stuff right here. This Biscoff Mug Cake looks so amazing. It's all already light and fluffy, and then we've got the caramel like spread just oozing all over on top, and then we've got the crunch. So we've got all these different textures going on. Smells so good. Uh-oh. Babies decided they wanted to chill out on the floor, so they're taking some time out. But anyways, this is honestly ridiculously amazing. It's so easy to make, and it is easily my new favorite mug cake, and I know it's gonna be yours as well. I cannot stop eating it. If you do like mug cake recipes, I have other ones up on my channel. I've got a vanilla custard mug cake, I've got a fudgy chocolate mug cake, and I have a sticky date mug cake. So check those out, and I will also link them in the description box below for you. I'm gonna make another couple of these, one for my husband and maybe another one for myself. See how we go. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope that you love this recipe and get to make it for yourself or your friends and family really soon. If you do like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell because I have a new video every single week. Thanks again, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.